Hello there. I just got done watching Light as a Feather, and this was on Hulu. I guess it's a Hulu original. It is a drama suspense series. It came out in 2018. There are 2 seasons. Each episode is around the 25-minute range. It's TV 14. And the premise of this show is an innocent game of light as a feather, stiff as a board, goes wrong when the 5 teen girls who play start dying off in the exact way that was predicted, forcing the survivors to figure out why they're being targeted and whether the evil force hunting them down is one of their own. I thought this was actually a really well done series. I liked the casting that they did in this, and I felt like the performances all around were also really good. The one thing I didn't care for is it did seem like the writer or writers of this show wanted to make it to where the characters didn't really have very much common sense. Wouldn't you say? Yeah, it just, the lack of common sense was almost irritating to me on certain episodes.
Well, it's becoming so common even across the board lately.
Yeah.
But yes, that was quite annoying.
So that really was the only thing about the series that I didn't like, was that it just didn't seem like common sense for some of these characters existed. But it was a very, very suspenseful show, very intriguing. It definitely had my interest. We binge watched both seasons, and I would recommend it. I'll see if I can find a link to the trailer or something. I'll put it below if I can. I would recommend this if you enjoy suspenseful series, because this was really good and very, very suspenseful.
It got better as it went along too.
Yeah. There is... Well, it's TV 14, so, I mean, there's some language and some adult topics, but there really isn't any kind of gore, per se. I mean, there are a few scenes that are a little gross, I guess, yeah, but I wouldn't say overly gory or bloody or any of that kind of stuff, which was nice.
You know, maybe an arm or two,
but not like over the top where they're just trying to gore people out.
No.
So yeah, I would recommend it. If you've seen Hulu's Light as a Feather, let me know what you thought of it. And if you haven't seen it, do you typically like suspenseful drama type series? Let me know down below, because if you do, this might be up your alley, and it is on Hulu. So yeah, good stuff. First season was 2018, second season was 2019, and I don't believe there'll ever be a third season, although they did set it up to where if they wanted to, they could. Thank you for watching this review, and I'll see you in the next one.